In today's video, I'm going to show you photo management showdown, Nextcloud versus Immich versus PhotoPrism versus FileRun. Nextcloud continues to be a popular all-rounder, offering photo management as part of its wider self-hosted cloud suite. It's ideal for those who want an integrated platform where photos, documents, and calendars all live together. While it's not the most feature-rich for AI-powered photo recognition, its versatility and community support make it a safe, long-term choice. Immich has been the rising star in the last couple of years, designed specifically for personal photo hosting with a strong emphasis on mobile-first usability and AI-driven features. It handles face recognition, geotagging, and timeline views with impressive speed, even on modest hardware. For those coming from Google Photos but wanting to self-host, Immich feels the most like a true modern replacement, balancing sleek design with powerful search capabilities. PhotoPrism has carved out its own space by focusing on advanced AI indexing and deep search functionality. It's excellent for people with large, messy archives because it can intelligently tag and categorize images based on content. Its web interface is clean and highly functional, but it can be more resource-heavy compared to Immich. It's often the go-to for photographers and archivists who care about precise cataloging. FileRun takes a different route, acting more like a self-hosted Google Drive with photo-friendly browsing capabilities. It doesn't have the AI smarts of Immich or PhotoPrism, but it's lightweight, stable, and works perfectly for people who simply want an easy way to store and access photos alongside other files. It shines in environments where simplicity and speed matter more than automation or advanced recognition. When comparing them head-to-head, Immich feels like the best choice for a modern AI-enhanced photo experience, especially if you want something that rivals commercial cloud services. PhotoPrism is the power user's tool for deep organization and search. Nextcloud is the do-it-all platform for those who want everything under one umbrella, and FileRun is the minimalist pick for quick and reliable access. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.